Hey friends, let's jump straight into the intro. Our strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's one bar or a count of 4 there. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And we start with the E and we do that for 1 bar. Now go to an E major 7 this time and do the same thing. Then we're jumping to an E7 this time in the strumming pattern because we're just doing a 2 count. We'll be down, 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 up to an E9. So keep the E7 and just add the 2nd fret on the high E string to make it an E9 and just do a down and then back to the E7 with a down, down, up. So let me do that bar for you because that's a little confusing. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Jump to the A, first strumming pattern again, 1 bar. Then we're going to an A minor and we're going to do same as our E7 to E9, but this time we're doing A minor to A sus2. So A minor, down, 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 up. A sus2, down, back to the A minor, down, down, up. So that bar slowly, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then we have 2 counts on these last chords. We have the E and we're just going to do a down, 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 up. C sharp minor, the same, down, 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 up. C the same, down, 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 up. And D7 the same, down, 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 up. And that's our intro there. Let me do it slowly for you. E major 7, E7 to our E9, back to our E7, A minor to our A sus2, back to our A minor, E, C sharp minor, back to C, to D7. And that's our intro there. Now our verse is exactly the same as our intro. The only difference here, after our D7 we just go back to E for a bar. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then we go back to the start with the E, so we end up doing E for 2 bars and we just play that through 2 times. And that's our verse or our chorus there. This time we're starting on an A add 9 sharp 11 chord, so we have the open A string, 2nd fret on the D, 4 on the G and the B, and an open E, and half a bar there. So down, 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 up. To an A, do the same. Repeat that again. Back to the A. Then we're jumping up to a C sharp minor, half a bar. Then we're going to a C sharp minor 13. So we have the 4th on the A and the D, 3rd on the G, 2nd on the B and an open E and half a bar again. Go to an A over C sharp, half a bar again. Now we're going back to the C sharp minor, but this time we're just doing a 1 count, so down, down, up. Then we're going to go to an E chord, but we're going to use this C shape and down, down, up, 1 count again there. Then we're going back to the start with our A add 9 sharp 11 to the A. So 2 times. Now to finish the bridge off, we're going back to a C sharp minor, all 1 counts here. We're going to do a down, down, up, to B the same, down, down, up, to an A the same. Then we're going to this G sharp minor at 11. So it's exactly the same as G sharp minor. Just take your third finger off and a 1 count, down, down. And then to a G diminished, and this time a full bar, so back to our original strumming pattern. Down, 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 down. And then to an F sharp minor, the same. And that's our bridge there. From our bridge we go back into the intro, and that's exactly the same. And then for our solo, which we'll do at the end, we just play the verse through once, back to the bridge, and then back to the verse again. And then to finish off we just play C for half a bar, D7 for half a bar, and E for a bar. And do that through 2 times, and they're all the rhythm parts there. Starting on the D string, slide up to the 9th fret, and then play 9, slide up to 11 on the D, and then jump to G, play 9, slide to 11, slide to 9, then play the 9 again, slide up to 11, 11, slide up to 13, then play 14 on the B, slide back to 12, slide up to 9 on the G, slide up to 6 on the G. This is a tricky bit. Play 5 on the B, 6 on the G, slide back to 5, back to 5 on the B, 6 on the G again, and then 5, slide up to 7, back to 5 on the B. Then play the 5 again, slide up to 10, slide all the way back to 2, then play the open B, 2nd fret on the B, slide up to 5, 5, slide up to 7, 7, slide up to 9, then just play the 9 on the D, 7 on the G 2 times, back to 9 on the D, slide back to 7, and then just do 6, 7, slide between the 2 and finish on 6. And that's our main solo there. For our outro solo, we're going to play 15, slide back to 12, 12, slide back to 9, 9, slide back to 6, 6, slide back to 5, 5, slide up to 12, then play B, 12, slide to 14, E, 12, 14, 12, and then do the B again, slide up to 9, slide up to 5. Then the last one we're doing 4 on the E, slide up to 5, up to 7, up to 12, up to 14, back to 12, and then repeat again, 4, up to 5, up to 7, go up to 12, up to 14, and then just slide up to 12 on the B and the E. And they're all our parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Saltwater Guitar Lesson by Julian Lennon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 90s pop, jump onto my channel for hundreds more, and I'll see you soon.